Whoops, total on mute. My apologies. Welcome back to another edition of Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It is a pleasure to see you here on April 21st. And again, my apologies for the Zoom muting there, but nonetheless, we've all been there before. So let's jump into the rundown. But first, big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Check us out on LATOKEN.com and VCTV as well. With that being said, let's get into, again, the rundown. Digital asset custody firm BitGo has expanded its cold storage insurance program, raising the capacity, insurance capacity by $600 million to a total of $700 million. So today, BitGo has debuted this upgrade to their insurance program. So now, having once insured only $100 million that they had done in partnership with Lloyd's of London back in 2019, they are now upping that game to $700 million. Keep that in mind. All right, Gemini, the crypto exchange and custody, just for those who may not be aware, has released a new report looking at the entire US crypto market. Now, the survey has revealed that many people are crypto curious, about 63% of US adults as well, and that just 23% indicate a promising future for crypto's growth as well. Now, the survey was done with only about 3,000 people. Nonetheless, it is exciting to see these types of metrics come out of that as well. Big hot take, a new segment. RIT, or RIT Capital Partners, a British investment trust managed by J. Rothschild Capital Management Limited. It's a lot, but has acquired a stake in cryptocurrency exchange Kraken. Now, this is a pretty big news on both sides. Kraken, one who has come back and forth saying they want to go and do some type of public offering following the news of Coinbase and eToro, but then also for RIT Capital Partners, who continues to make these big investments and take huge equity stakes in fintech-based companies. They also did they participated in the last venture round for Paxos at about $142 million as well. So something to stay relevant on as well. Also, another big hot take, Bolly Gifford, a 110-year-old asset management firm known for its early bets in Tesla and others, has just invested $100 million in blockchain.com. This will be the single largest investment in the company thus far, making Bolly Gifford one of the largest outside shareholders as well. So stay tuned. It's also their first crypto-based investment as well. Topl, T-O-P-L, the blockchain ecosystem that has been built to prove a company's ethical or sustainable practices, today announced a blockchain as a service, or BaaS, offering for the easiest way, a two-click, type process for any company to begin understanding whether or not they are ESG, environmental, social, and corporate governance, if they're aligned accordingly and set standards. So Topl, T-O-P-L. And lastly, congratulations to Yield Guild, hashtags or stacks, security and authentication company Hyper, H-Y-P-R, and then also enterprise blockchain firm Digital Asset Holdings on all of their big fundraisers today as well. So that's the quick rundown of what's happening in the world of blockchain and crypto today here on April 21st. We've got a lot more to break down for you here on VCTV in just a few minutes. We've got investors coming together to talk about blockchain and fintech, along with e-commerce and much, much more. So join us on LATOKEN.com and VCTV, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Again, a big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Check me out on Twitter. Make sure to follow me as well to hear more on today's news and much more happening around the industry as well. And I'd love to hear from you. So reach out. DMs are open. Twitters are a following. So definitely send a shout out as well. And hello to everyone in the world. I see all your comments. And we'll see you here on VCTV in just a few minutes. Take care, everybody.